Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make a list of important parliaments of different countries, starting with Japan. Japan has a bicameral structure. Its parliament is known as National Diet. It has upper house and lower house. Upper house is called House of Councillors and lower house is called House of Representatives. Then we have India. India also has a bicameral structure. Its lower house is called Lok Sabha. You can memorize it with its initial L for Lok Sabha. Okay. Then we have upper house. Upper house of India is called Rajya Sabha. What is it? Rajya Sabha. Then we have Iran. Iran has a unicameral structure. Its parliament is called Islamic Consultative Assembly, which is also known as Majlis. Then there is Turkey. Turkey has a unicameral structure. Its parliament is called Grand National Assembly of Turkey. What is it? Grand National Assembly of Turkey. Then there is Russia. Russia has a bicameral structure. Its parliament is called Federal Assembly. Lower house of Russia is called State Duma and its upper house is called Federation Council. Then we have Sweden. Sweden has a unicameral structure. Its parliament is called Riksdag. Then we have Iceland. Iceland also has unicameral structure. Its parliament is called Althing. Next, there is Pakistan. Pakistan has a bicameral structure. It has lower house and upper house. Lower house of Pakistan is called National Assembly and upper house of Pakistan is called Senate. Its parliament is called Majlis-e-Shura. Then we have China. China has a unicameral structure. Its parliament is called National People's Congress. National People's Congress. Then we have Argentina. It has a bicameral structure. Argentina's parliament is called National Congress. Its lower house is known as Chamber of Deputies. Its upper house is known as Senate. Then we have Brazil, Bolivia, Venezuela. All these countries have same structure and their parliaments name are also same. Then we have Germany. Germany has a bicameral structure. Its parliament is called Federal Parliament. Lower house of Germany is called Bundestag and its upper house is called Bundesrat. Lower house is Bundestag and upper house is Bundesrat. Then we have this. I'm not gonna take the name. Its parliament is called Knesset. It has a unicameral structure. Then we have UK. UK has a bicameral structure. UK's lower house is called House of Commons. Its upper house is called House of Lords. Next, we have United States of America. USA has a bicameral structure. Its parliament is called Congress and its lower house is known as House of Representatives. Its upper house is called Senate. Then we have Bangladesh. Bangladesh has a unicameral structure. Its parliament is called Jatiya Sangsad. Pardon me if I mispronounced it. Next we have Bhutan. Bhutan has a bicameral structure. Its lower house is called National Assembly. Its upper house is called National Council. Then we have Nepal. Nepal has a bicameral structure. Its parliament is called Federal Parliament. Its lower house is called House of Representative and its upper house is called National Assembly. Okay, thank you.